Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and that you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. Our first reading strategy we like to use is our eagle eye. That is when we look at the pictures in the book to help us with the words. Our next one is our stretchy snake. That is where the letters out in the word and we stretch them out slowly and we go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. So first I'll have a go, then you have a go, and then we'll have a go all together one more time. Ready? Weather. The. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it one more time all together. Weather. Good job, well done. So the book that we're going to be looking at this week is Wild Weather. Now, think of this question I'm going to ask you. Do you think this is a fiction book or a non-fiction book? Girls, this is what your book will look like on Oxford Owl, and we now know that you can access this at home. Let's have a read. Wild Weather. Whoosh! The storm is wild. The weather is wild. This is a storm, a big storm. Big storms can blow over houses and trees. Big storms can be dangerous, but they can be very exciting too. Thunderstorms. Rumble, the weather is wild. This is a thunderstorm. Thunderstorms are common storms. Before a thunderstorm, you can see big dark clouds. These clouds are called thunderclouds. A lot of rain and hail can fall from thunderclouds. You can see lightning and hear thunder during a thunderstorm. In most thunderstorms you will see lightning flashing first, then you will hear the thunder rumbling. Lightning can flash between a cloud and another cloud, or between a cloud and the ground. A flash of lightning between a cloud and the ground can be up to 14 kilometers long. A lightning flash between a cloud and another cloud can be even longer. Some lightning flashes can be up to 140 kilometers long. Thunder is caused when lightning makes the air heat up. Thunder can make different noises. It can rumble, it can crackle, it can crash, and it can boom. Hurricanes. Swish, swoosh, the weather is very wild. This storm is a hurricane. Hurricanes are very big, strong storms. They have very high winds and lots of rain. Hurricanes are often given names. This one was called Hurricane Mitch. Did you know that the wind in a hurricane can blow faster than a car can speed down the motorway? Hurricanes form over the sea. Warm, wet air rises up from the sea. The air forms clouds. Lots of heat comes from these clouds. This can cause thunderstorms with heavy rain and strong winds. Hurricanes are wide storms. They can be so wide that they stretch from one town to another town, 800 kilometers away. The strong winds in hurricanes blow round and round. The center of a hurricane is called the eye. The winds are not strong in the eye of a hurricane. Hurricanes are wide and strong, so they cause lots of damage. They can blow over houses and trees and cause floods. There are two ways that hurricanes can cause floods. Floods can happen because of all the rain that that falls during a hurricane. Floods can also happen when the wind is so strong that it makes big waves in the ocean. Sometimes these waves are bigger than a giraffe. When the waves crash onto the land, they cause floods. Galveston. On September 8, 1919, there was a very strong hurricane that started in the Gulf of Mexico. It blew across the town of Galveston, Texas. Lots of buildings were blown down. The hurricane also caused big waves. More than 6,000 people were washed away. Tornadoes. Tornadoes are called twisters because of their shape. Spin, swirl, roar. The weather is wild. This storm is a tornado. Tornadoes are windstorms. They are very dangerous storms. Tornadoes form over the land. A tornado forms within a thunderstorm. A tornado looks like a big black thunder cloud with a tail. The wind in the tornado makes it much faster than the wind in a hurricane. Tornadoes make roaring noise when they hit the ground. The noise can be as loud as the roar made by a jumbo jet. Tornadoes are dangerous when they hit the ground. When a tornado hits the ground, the swirling wind sucks up everything in their path. Once you have finished the book, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or down here you can use the audio button and Oxford Owl will read it to you. So boys and girls, you should now be on to your Kahoot quiz. You can access Kahoot at kahoot.it or you can download it from the App Store. So your Kahoot quiz number is 066359556. Press enter. Once it's loaded, this is what your Kahoot will look like. You have 4 questions, and to join the game, just type in your name, press OK Go and complete the quiz. Once you're finished, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a photo so that we know that you have done the task. Enjoy and have fun.